Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to measure a area under a curve using origin. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. So let's start our today's video. So this is the graph which we will use to measure the area under curve. So select it, then go to analysis, pick an baseline, then pick analyzer, and then the dialog box will open. So now just check that the integrated peak is been ticked, then next, and follow the procedure as shown in video. So this is the two peak which we got, and then by pressing next you will get this area for all the peak in the graph. Now if you want to adjust this area manually, what we need to do is we just need to tick this adjust on preview graph. Now you can change the area as per our requirement as much as we need. So in this graph you can measure the area of both the curve. Now if you want to measure the area individually, so for that what we can do, we just untick this all peak and then we can put here the number 1, so that at a time you can measure only for one peak in this way, and after pressing the finish you can get the area for this one peak only. In the similar way, if you want to calculate the area for all the peak, just tick here all the peak and adjust you can do by ticking that adjust on graph, and by pressing the finish you will get here one more workbook open here. So here you can see that the area for peak 1 and peak 2 is given, that is this second column. Further we need to measure the percentage of the area under each curve. For that we will take another workbook, and here we will take this value of both the curve. Add some more column here. First we will increase this column width and we will add some more column here. Now we will at this area of both curve to get the total area. So this is the total area under both the curve, and now we just need to calculate the percentage. So we will calculate the percentage now. So for that, what we will do, we will divide the area of each curve by total area, and then we will multiply it by 100, so that we will get the percentage area under each curve. So this is the percentage, that is 63 percentage of area is under the first curve, and similarly we can calculate the area for the second curve also. So this is the percentage area under the second curve. We can also obtain this value by direct subtracting the area of first curve from the 100%. So this formula we can use when there is only two curves. So when there is a more than two curves, so for that we need to calculate by this percentage way only, by dividing the area with the total area. So this is I am showing you how to calculate when there is only two curve. So we just need to subtract the area of any one curve out of 100, and we will get the percentage of the second curve. So thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.